afternoon. Today is Friday, December 1st, 2023. I'm here at Bulls Bay Pier. This is a before video of Sea Dragon, just to see exactly some concerns. Customer stated there was some concerns with barnacles and the water line. So I'm going to look around that, and I'm also going to look at the major areas and running gear of the boat as well. A lot of growth still sporadically around. I'm going to go ahead and just give it a scrape all over and then get an after video.